રા, કેમ છે તું?
હું એકદમ મજામાં.
કેમ વિડિયો નથી આવતો?
ના, મારો વિડિયો ચાલુ છે. અહીંયા નેટવર્ક બહુ ઓછું છે મારે, એટલે હું બરાબર દેખાતી નહીં. હા
ઓકે.
હા, આમે બેટરી પણ થોડીક વારમાં જતી રહેશે. એટલે અહીંયા ઇન્ટરનેટ, લાઇટ બધું બહુ જ ઓછું છે.
नमस्ते, प्रणाम। Mansi, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you well. Yeah.
Jay Kaka, can you hear us? Oh, he's looking very handsome today.
Yes. I'm fine, dear. Thanks.
How come you're looking today very handsome, fresh, and happy? You had a good Sunday?
Yeah.
Very nice. What did you do?
I'm having my own shop.
Oh, you own a shop. Nice. What kind of a shop?
I'm a distributor for Pidilite Industries.
Oh my God. वेरी वेरी गुड। इतना बिजनेस करने के बाद भी इतना चिल रहता है, क्या बात है, सीखना पड़ेगा। एंड हम लोग को देखो, मानसी स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग।
You are sick?
आई एम
Yeah.
सॉरी।
Hi, Vanna. Hi, Lipika.
Hello. Hi, Mansi.
Hello, pranam.
हाय लिपिका जी, प्रणाम।
Now,
हाउ आर यू?
I am good. How are you?
Oh, I've been.
What's your experience from 1 week of
Oh, I'm
watching?
going to share a lot of things that happened because I did tell Vandana ji that I'm traveling somewhere.
Acha.
And I'm going to share with everybody how it has been, but it's going to be something very different and amazing. And I'm glad Mansi could join us from all the way from mountains. She will be on and off the network, but let's see how long she can just. No worries. How have you guys been?
Hi, Pritika ki. How are you?
Yes, good.
Hello. Hi. May I know your name?
Are you
Hi.
talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to Zoom. Your name is Zoom user. I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to edit your name right now. Otherwise, we'll edit your name. Yeah.
Her name is Puneet. Puneet.
Hi, Puneet.
Puneet.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so amazing. I know somebody Puneet also. But of course, he's more larger than life.
मेरे पे आ गया, तुम बंद कर लो उधर से अपनी ब्लूटूथ।
Let's wait for everyone to join in. So, Mansi, you share your experience till the time we still have like 3 more minutes.
So, yes, I am in God's own country, Ladakh. It is like crazy beautiful. I don't know. I've not seen anything as beautiful as Ladakh anywhere. I'm like, आप कुछ नहीं करते यहाँ पर, बस आप देखते रहते हैं। अभी भी I don't know, I can't show you guys, but I'm right opposite a lake. Opposite मतलब हमारे फोन के बीच में लेक और लेक के
पर
सामने
बहुत कम
mountain.
साउंड आ रही है।
It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see this.
कि देखो बहुत कम साउंड आ रही है कि जी।
So it's not possible, Mansi, maybe because you've blurred your background.
Okay, yeah, now I think you can. Yeah.
So, how many of you guys have been to Leh Ladakh? Lipika ji, Vandana ji, Jayesh ji, Preeti ji.
I have been to Ladakh twice.
Now you guys can see.
Yes. Wow, Mansi, superb.
Even I have been there
So,
in Ladakh.
it was my dream to do a chai pe charcha from here, and see, it's getting over.
भेज
It.
दिया आपको।
वंदना जी, Jayesh ji, आप गए हैं लेह लद्दाख?
नहीं मैम, नहीं, वो
Naina
मानसी
told me you're not taking me.
मानसी लेके नहीं जाती है.
We have to now just counsel Mansi how to take us on a trip rather.
Yeah.
Well, I've
Next
been,
time to Charcha, she takes everybody to Ladakh.
yes, I like that idea. I've already have my backpacks till now. But Vandana ji, I personally think you should also go to Leh Ladakh. It is very, very, very beautiful. Lipika ji would agree since you guys are in same team.
Yeah, I think my first vacation since I've been in NV Life was Ladakh actually. And I went there for 21 days right after COVID.
Normal बैठ मैं तेरे को दे देती हूँ.
And it I think it still stays one of my favorite journeys, holidays in life.
Really? Wow. But you should also, Leh Ladakh, I've done a bike trip for 30 days. I started from Surat on the bike and then I went all the way to Srinagar exit. So that's for like 30 days on the bike. But I also think you guys should go to Spiti.
उधर पुनीत कर देना.
It is one of the best places you can also travel around. But Vandana ji, you have to go to Leh Ladakh. You just can't be out. It's a cult. You have to go.
Yeah.
Maybe not for longer time. Maybe just for 5-7
No,
days.
I was talking to my son that he should book me a ticket for there, and maybe let's see when.
Wow. Welcome नरेश जी, कैसे हैं आप?
बस ठीक हूँ. आप लोग कैसे हो सब?
मैं तो बहुत सुंदर हूँ. देखिए पहाड़ों से कौन बात कर रही है? मानसी.
अच्छा, पहाड़ों से?
लेह
I'm
लद्दाख.
in Ladakh right now.
लद्दाख में. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
So, how was your week, everybody?
Was normal.
Anything?
Routine.
Preeti ji, anything new?
वो करती है.
Nah, nothing new. It was as usual.
Unmute करना
I was
होगा.
trying for the Sanj first session, but not yet completed it for some reason. I don't know. But I will definitely try it
Yeah,
again.
you can see this whole YouTube video which is there, and then we can one-to-one connect you with the team, so then they can take it forward from there.
Yes. Sure.
So Puneet ji, you're here.
Yeah.
If we can see you, Yagnesh ji, you can start your video. I can see someone joined from iPad. You can start your video.
Yes.
So what's new, Yagnesh ji?
Yeah, you can see now.
Yeah, we can see you now. Just put your head down a little bit. Better. So, Puneet ji, you can share what happened. How was your this week? How's your week going?
All good. Even I'm traveling. I mean, solar.
Superb. Great to hear. So, how's your experience traveling today? What new did you try? We can't hear you. You need to unmute yourself.
Yeah, I said all good because outside Delhi everything is good. The weather is so good there in Solan. It was very good. We went to Shimla also, and now we are coming back to Chandigarh.
Superb. So
I was
one,
hearing about your trip to Ladakh. You're in Leh?
I'm in Somorili right now. Somorili, yeah.
Okay, that's around the same place.
Same place. It's a part of the Leh district, and this is
Okay.
the whole, you can see behind is the whole lake.
Yeah, I can see it. It's so beautiful. I've been to Ladakh and Leh years ago, so it was a good experience. Yeah, I also enjoyed it.
It's beautiful. In fact, one new thing that I discovered here is they make chutagi, and that is like
What's
dal. It's like in Gujarati they make dal dhokli, and we
Ah,
chutagi.
ah,
So
okay.
it's like there's so many foods which are very similar,
Yeah. You try out new things when you go to new places. That's the fun. We tried a thing called Sidhu, which is Himachali thing, na? Like a Himachali momo or something.
Yeah.
It's basically
Yeah.
walnut paste with any kind of,
Wow.
yes, it's a walnut paste with mixed with herbs, and
Yeah.
it is steamed at a particular temperature to
Yeah.
give you that particular
But
thing.
just not walnut. It's got so many things inside it. The ingredients were. I mean, I asked that man to tell kya kya dala andar. He just had a list of long ingredients. I said, bas, theek hai. Let's just enjoy that.
Yeah, so the main basic thing of it is walnut, and then they put around 12 herbs. They
You're
mix
right.
and then you steam it. But actually, I like it next day when you shallow fry it. It tastes much better rather than steam one.
It is a very acquired taste. I wouldn't say I loved eating it, but the main thing was Himachal mein reh ke bhi they did not put walnut.
Well,
So the main ingredient was missing, and all I knew was like you telling me कि walnut का कुछ अंदर डलता है. So I said walnut तो हमें पता है और क्या चीज डलता है. So he went walnut तो नहीं डला है, but da some 7-8 things he started. So I said अरे ये कैसे हो गया? So even in the local food has become क्या कहते हो
cut.
adulterated. Sad.
Great. We also have Meena Shah. Meena ji, if you can start it. How was the week? Meena ji. We also have Mukta Gupta here. Mukta ji, if you can start video. Meena ji and Mukta ji. Okay, we have also iPhone user who has joined. We also have user. How was your week, ma'am? If you can say your name and introduce yourself to the group, and how was your week? If you can say that. Mukta ji, we have an iPhone user. You can unmute and start your video, all of you. Yeah. Shefali, if you send them a request to start their videos. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Great. So I think it's a great start. My one dream of doing from Ladakh is marks. So Shefali ji, handed over to you. You can start the session for everybody. And everyone, please request you to start your video so we can have a very active sessions, all of us together.
I better enjoy.
All right, Pranam, everybody. Welcome to another show of Chai Pe Charcha. Thank you so much for a wonderful week. Well, we start with today Chai Pe Charcha. I hope you all had a very good sleep. Anyone tried logging into Sanj? Anyone?
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. And would you like to
Every night. Every night.
And would you like to share your experience?
Should I start, Puneet? Should I start?
Yeah, please do that.
Okay. Every night it is different. Every night it is different.
Okay.
And it's become a habit that I take my phone, I put it next to my bed, and I put it upside down so that I can hear it. And I want to listen to the whole thing, but it is, I fall off to sleep. Before I think even 5 minutes of that music plays, that beautiful music, and then the conversation starts. Just about when the conversation starts, I go off to sleep. So what I do is the next day I said I'll change my system. I will sit up and listen, and when I feel sleepy, I will go to the bed because I want to listen to that whole conversation. उसमें भी नींद आ जाता है, उसमें भी bed पे, I mean chair पे I fall off to sleep. So eventually it is giving me very good sleep, which was the purpose. But the fact that I want to listen to the whole thing, वो नहीं हो पाता because day में I try listening, but there are activities happening here and there. The peace is not there, though I do manage to listen thoda bahut. But at the end of the day, I get sleep, which is much better than what I used to get earlier.
Wow.
So I'm happy about that.
Very
Next to me is my sister Sudeep.
Hello.
Vanda ji knows her, so she's also part of all of this, and we've been there. So
Hello, Ji. How are you? And
Ji, all well. How are you?
all good, Ji. All good. I was along with Puneet for a little vacation to the hills, so feeling all nice and fresh air.
Mm-hmm.
So great. That is, and talking about Sanj, with great difficulty, I managed to log in. I've listened to one episode,
Mm-hmm.
not during the night, but during the day, because I was curious to know as to what it is.
Mm-hmm.
So it was good fun listening to it.
Mm-hmm.
For sleep, actually, I have no problem. I have to hit the pillow and I go off to sleep at night. That problem I never had.
Wow, that's amazing. So, what I did, I will also share my experience. But before that, anyone else would like to share their experience? If anyone tried Sanj or anyone had sleeping issues or anything? Wow, everyone sleeps like a baby, I guess.
lucky them.
I know, lucky them. So I was traveling. I did tell Vandana ji I was traveling, and I was traveling with a bunch of people who, okay, I'm not into drinking, smoking, or something like that. I'm more of a holistic, but yes, I'm still a crazy traveler. But I was recently traveling, and I was traveling with the tribes where people are into heavy drinking because they can't sleep. So as a challenge, we took up Sanj. Okay, they said that if Sanj doesn't play well with them, they would make sure I'm awake till 4 in the morning. And yeah, and it is like, oh my God, it was I had to really think if I signed up for a right thing or a wrong thing. मतलब सुबह के 4 बजे तक कौन जागेगा खुद
I know.
से
I can understand.
हुआ क्या?
फिर तो कुछ नहीं, पहले दिन तो चलो किसी ने सांझ में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिया है ना, क्योंकि लोग को लगता है यार क्या पका हुआ है, कहाँ से कुछ भी उठा के ले आती है और सोचे और कहीं भी कुछ भी बेचना चालू कर देगी। मैंने बोला बेच थोड़ी रही हूँ, सिर्फ सुनना है। एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस, जब आप टिपिकल दिल्ली वाले हरियाणवी वाले लोगों के साथ चलते हो ना, तो उनको समझाना मतलब अपने गन पॉइंट पे अपनी समझदारी को रखना और पेशेंस रखना। So anyway, so we went, and then second night I'm like, अब मेरी बारी। तो we joined, we asked them if we can take out this. Luckily 15 मिनट में सारे सो गए, and then I could go to sleep.
That's amazing. I never.
And the best thing was next day जब सभी उठे तो दारू की बोतल वहाँ है, ग्लासेस वहाँ है, और मेरी एक जो कोक की बोतल है वही खाली है। So they are like, यार तू तो कोई गड़बड़ वाली जड़ी बूटी ले आ रही है, पका रही है तू हमको। मैंने बोला चल कोई नहीं, और एक दिन ट्राई करेंगे। So out of 5 days, of course I couldn't get them on board for 5 days because that wouldn't have been fair. So we did it on second day and we did it on fourth day, and they slept like a baby, and they've slept for 12 hours non-stop, which more irritating to me because we had to get up at 6 in the morning for some sunrise, and I was like, okay, till 10 o'clock I am going to blame Sanj for this because I missed my sunrise. So this was my experience. Of course, I shared, the lady who's also there last week who had battled cancer and worked on those. I also shared that story, but also I shared Naresh ji's story where my people, I know they take medications to go to sleep.
Yeah, there's so many.
Yes, and that story had been registered in my mind. And trust me, I don't self fear, but then when you have somebody who's wise, who's given you an advice that has happened in their family, how it has left void in his life because of the sleeping pills. Honestly, a lot of people decided to cut down on their drinking. They drink probably every day, and they don't drink like a 130 ml or 60 ml. They drink literally 160 ml a night.
Oh my
So
God.
they're going to sign up with Sanj, but then also like I came yesterday night, and then they didn't, boys are a little slow back. It's very difficult to handle boys at any age. मतलब अब वो 5 साल के ले लो या 50 साल या 70 साल, लड़के लड़के होते हैं।
Totally agree. Totally agree. They become younger as they grow older. Younger I mean, they go like 2 साल के बन जाते हैं. 60-year-old man can become like a 2-year-old.
हाँ जी, यज्ञेश जी, जयेश जी, do you agree to this? बच्चे लड़के बच्चे हो जाते हैं।
No
Yeah, yeah.
one's.
You're
No
right.
one.
No, I don't agree.
You don't
Okay.
agree, right?
I have my experiences on this.
Everybody having his own experience, man.
Absolutely.
Yes. So
I agree.
लकीली यज्ञेश जी आप क्या बोलते हैं जैसे आप लड़के बड़े होते जाते हैं और बच्चे होते जाते हैं
Yeah.
I- So yeah, of course. Yesterday night I played Sanj on the audio, okay, because we were there and everyone went to fall asleep, and that was a good thing. So of course they will take time to sign up with them. Whatever audio I have available on Sanj, I put them on a speaker with 20 people listening, and yes, they got up today again at 12. So thank you, Sanj, for the experiment was successful. दारू कम हुई, of course बहुत सारे sunrises miss हुए, but that's okay. It's worth the pain we have taken. Yes.
Totally.
So the 20 people have slept?
हाँ हाँ वो पार्टी करके भाई एकदम बोलते ना पूरी सेट कर रहे थे सब कुछ सेट था चिप्स विप्स खाना वाना चिकन विकन और जब से शांत सुना वो बोलते हैं यार तूने कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया है सो यस इट वर्कड फॉर देम it worked because they're heavy drinkers. They are extremely heavy drinkers. So yes, it worked for them.
But
And
they
they are
slept non-stop for 12 hours. Like you said, they slept for 12 hours.
yes.
So what happens when people, like we have issues, we have to get up for the loo break. And there was one message also somewhere that why the loo breaks weren't there earlier and now people they get up, the sleep gets disturbed, and then you have to fall asleep all over again. So is that a normal pattern? What is the right pattern?
Okay, so
Continuously?
I will let Lipika ji and Vandana ji answer that. But before that, again, people who have diabetic at very young age, they also have same issues. They need to get up at
Yeah.
even though they're into alcohol. But then what happens, if it's Sanj, first night they didn't get up, second night they didn't get up. But then what happens, like in the last episode we had discussed this thing, and I would want both of them to take the lead and explain them that how can they stop, because they stop with those boys who are crazy. And then I think Lipika ji and Vandana ji, all yours from you.
Thank you.
There is one article in Economic Times today for sleeping only.
Acha ji.
Yeah.
Can you read this breaking news?
Yeah, we can read. Thoda sa dikh raha hai.
Please, we
Yeah.
can read this. Yeah.
It is second page rather in the Economic Times of today.
Okay.
They have also said that it is a big challenging problem for people in all the country rather. It is
All
given,
over,
but medically, Ayurvedic point of view, they have stated about there are many medicines. Apart from that, Ayurvedic ashwagandha may be useful.
No, Reggie, if you can just send a screenshot of that photo in the group.
Very difficult to take. It's full page. And I don't have soft copy. Let me try. I will try it afterwards. Today's Economic Times, I can tell.
Okay.
If you people are getting, I have stopped getting, soft copies earlier. Until last month, I was getting soft copy actually of all the newspapers virtually. 55 newspapers I used to get, but I have cut down that. Nowadays, I am not getting any newspaper. Otherwise, this is the newspaper of today only. Breaking news on that. Everything
But-
is regarding the slip.
But
The
whoever's
period
written
they have
this
shown.
article, I think, should be sent some information on Saj. It will be so lovely. It will be
No,
a
you
breakthrough.
can log in Economic Times and today's Economic Times Mumbai edition. One can find it out. No?
Yeah.
Google. That way, one can find it out.
Yes. So we will come back to the question. I didn't.
Puneet.
Puneet, we'll have your question answered by Lipika ji or Vandana ji. Please answer. I think even Yagnesh ji had the same question last week, if I'm not wrong.
We took up this question last week also. I think Vandana ji would be better able to take this.
So, like last time, I think Puneet was there. I'm not
No,
sure.
last time I wasn't there. I missed last week. Last time.
So, Puneet, if you remember when, I don't know, during your childhood, if you used to go to your grandparents' place for a vacation or something, Do you remember them getting up so many times?
I know you told this beautiful, the story was lovely what you said. हाँ, वो आपकी बात सही है कि पहले लोग इतना नहीं जाते थे जितना अब इतना इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द वॉशरूम है कि we need to get up in the night and all of that.
So what has changed? My question to you would be, what has changed from earlier times to now?
Lots must have changed. मतलब earlier times when I was young.
So earlier time there used to be joint families, right? Now it is then it became nuclear families. Now it is individuals.
हाँ जी, हाँ
Right?
जी.
So
Right.
joint families, when you were living together, the emotions would get grounded because किसी ने सिर पे हाथ रख दिया, उसी से आपकी इमोशंस ग्राउंड हो जाती है.
सही बात.
स्कूल से आया, मदर नहीं है तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ने खाना खिला दिया. ठीक है. तो शाम को सब इकट्ठे बैठे हैं, सारे दिन की बात हो रही है. ठीक है. तो उसी से ग्राउंडिंग हो जाती है. तो what is not happening nowadays, one, there is a corporate culture. Everybody is in a rut. Men, women. ठीक है.
Right.
You are not able to express, or there is nobody you can express to.
हाँ जी.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप फोन लगा के बैठ जाएंगे, रील्स देख लेंगे, टीवी देख लेंगे. The conversations are missing. So Mansi has, Shefali, they have started beautiful group कि चाय पे चर्चा. तो ऐसे कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हो रही है घर में. और कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं हो रही है तो आपका जो इमोशनल लोड है, जो अनप्रोसेस्ड इवेंट्स है, अगर दिन में कोई इवेंट हुआ है आपके साथ तो वो अनप्रोसेस्ड रहा, क्योंकि आप उसको आप निकाल ही नहीं पाए.
वेरी ट्रू.
तो जैसे जैसे आपकी उम्र बढ़ती जाती है, आपके ऐसे अनप्रोसेस्ड इवेंट बहुत से हो जाते हैं. जब तक आप, इसीलिए आप देखेंगे नींद डिस्टर्ब हो रही है, क्योंकि नींद, नेचर ने हमें नींद का एक प्रोसेस दिया है जिसमें हमारी सारी इमोशंस ग्राउंड हो जाती है, हम फ्रेश उठते हैं सुबह.
रिकवरी हो जाती है. हाँ, सही बात.
लेकिन आप, क्योंकि हम उस प्रोसेस को फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो हम पिछले दिन के इमोशंस को अगले दिन पे कैरी कर रहे हैं.
बात अंदर ही रह जाती है. I'll give you an example. I have so much to share with KJ, supposing when he comes from office or he travels and he comes back. पीछे से क्या हुआ, तुम्हारे साथ क्या हुआ, I want to tell. But he is already in the other step. He has already taken charge for the next activity or the next day. And मेरा वो अंदर ही अंदर वो रह जाता है. ठीक है. Either I can share a little bit with my sisters, but you can't share everything with everyone. So you know, वो कोई चीज अंदर की अंदर वो नॉर्मल है मेरे साथ, वो अंदर ही रह जाता है. I want to say something but I can't. वो फिर I say that's not important now. I'll leave it. Let's move on. तो आई थिंक यू आर राइट. फिर वो अंदर ही अंदर रह जाता है और उसको फिर हम ट्रीट नहीं.
नेचर हैज ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड द, अगर आप अपने हमारी बॉडी की इंजीनियरिंग देखें, इट इज सच ए ब्यूटीफुल इंजीनियरिंग कि आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, सो एवरीथिंग इज देयर. What is the negative? What are the negative emotion? This is a toxicity in you. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है. तो नेचर ने प्रोवाइड किया है कि आपके
निकलता
है, रिलीज हो जाएगी. That is what, when you say you're getting up to go to washroom and excretion के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी से टॉक्सिटी जा रही है.
हाँ जी.
बट अब अगर टॉक्सिटी आपकी बॉडी में 10% है और निकल 5% रहा है, तो that means somewhere it is storing. That is why जैसे जैसे आप बड़े हो रहे हैं, वैसे वैसे आपकी बॉडी को ज्यादा जरूरत पड़ने लग गई है. और सांझ क्या कर रहा है? सांझ आपको ऐसी स्लीप दे रहा है जिसमें स्लीप के थ्रू ही आपकी टॉक्सिटी, होपलेसनेस, दिन भर की डिसअपॉइंटमेंट रिलीज हो जाती है.
इंटरेस्टिंग. क्वालिटी ऑफ स्लीप जो हो रही है, एंड लेंथ विल ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज आई गेस, क्योंकि क्वालिटी में डेफिनेटली बेटरमेंट है, लेंथ भी बेटर हो गई है. पर जैसे पहले मे बी आई यूज्ड टू स्लीप फॉर 3-4 आवर्स, अब मेरा वो 6-7 घंटे हो गया है. बट ऑफ कोर्स बीच में ब्रेक्स होते हैं. बट आई थिंक
तो आपका बैकलॉग है. आप इसको कह लीजिए कि बहुत दिन से आप
बहुत
properly
बहुत
सोए नहीं
बैकलॉग
हैं।
है, बहुत। अभी आपने बोला है तो मैं सोच रही हूँ, पता नहीं कब से बैकलॉग होगा ये मेरे अंदर तो।
हाँ, तो जैसे आप जेट लैग के बाद वापस आते हो तो 2 दिन सो जाते हो,
गुड
ठीक है, कहीं
एग्जाम्पल,
ट्रैवल
या
करके आते हो, तो
हाँ,
आपका वो
बोलो।
बैकलॉग है, तो उसको डोंट डिस्टर्ब दैट। अगर आप सो रही हैं, इट्स वेरी गुड इफ नोबडी डिस्टर्ब्स यू एंड यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू वर्क। सो सीनियर सिटीजन्स का एक बोन है कि अब आपको कहीं काम पे नहीं जाना, तो अगर आप सो सकते हैं अच्छे से तो नथिंग लाइक इट, सांच लगा के सो जाइए।
एक और बात, फिर सांच लगाने का फायदा क्या हुआ अगर नींद ही आ गई, आपने सुना ही नहीं पूरा?
वही तो सीक्रेट है अंदर की बात।
अगर
ये आई विल लीव इट टू लिपिका टू एक्सप्लेन।
दिस इज इंटेंस।
Vandana ji, I have a question, okay? अगर सांझ नहीं है, we are no not network area और phone बंद हो गया, और फिर अगर ऐसे situation में है, do you have any kind of a activity or small kind of a thing where you can work for 10 minutes and people can go off to sleep? ऐसा कोई
Magic.
possibility है? Yeah, magic, because see, not every time you'll have your networks or phone. मतलब बहुत जगह मैं जाती हूँ यहाँ पे network तो होता ही नहीं है.
Practical
So
question.
basically, Shefali, what is sleep doing for you is same is what is meditation doing for you.
Correct.
जैसा कि हमने लास्ट टाइम बताया, meditation takes you to 8 breath per minute.
Correct.
ठीक है, and sleep also takes you to 8 breath per minute in non-REM sleep.
Okay.
ठीक है, तो आप मेडिटेशन सीख लीजिए। स्लीप तो है ही, तो साथ के साथ आप मेडिटेशन कर लीजिए। It's
You
like
have an answer for everything. हर
Actually,
चीज
if we
का।
do something together today, an activity, of course, we will not fall asleep. How can you just give us like a 5 minute of activity that will make us feel
There's-
refreshed?
I don't know.
तो मैंने सुबह का लिंक शेयर किया था। Every Sunday
Yes.
we have a meditation session at 6:30 a.m.
Correct.
So you can join that. It is free, open for all, and it is a guided meditation which we do. You can do it lying down, you can do it sitting. It's very easy. Everybody tends to go into state of meditation.
Instant sleep.
It's a
Instant
group
sleep.
meditation we
हाँ.
have. So अभी पुनीत ने share किया, she joined the session today. So she said that she fell asleep within 3-4 minutes. Puneet,
2-3 minutes. I was so I was prepping myself since 5:30 a.m. नहा धो के साफ बैठ के जगह बना के, because I was traveling in a hotel, so वो एंगल बना के कैमरे का सब कुछ करके रेडी कि आज तो मैंने अच्छे से करना है जो भी मुझे बोला जाएगा। And I think 1 hour 40 minutes के बाद मैं उठी हूँ। आपने जो बोला, जो भी बोला, बस उसके बाद I went off immediately to sleep.
One question here, like right now what we're doing is we logging in it online and going and listening to the whole video online.
Correct.
Is there a way that sometimes, say for example, right now I'm in a complete no network area. I barely, like I'm talking to 10 people whereby I just managed to get a couple of networks.
In Ladakh, it is very difficult.
Very difficult. So is there a way that we can download a couple of episodes, or there are a few episodes on YouTube which we can download and keep it for ourselves for these kind of situations, you know?
So YouTube has an entire playlist where in our channel, which is called Snippets of Sanj. तो आप जो बोल रहे थे ना कि वो 2-3 मिनट में हम कैसे सुन ले या कर ले. So the beautiful thing about Sanj is that every episode has 2 to 3 parts to it. You know, it's like layering up 2 to 3 things to tell you one whole thing, and every episode is complete in itself. So all of these videos, these snippets of Sanj that are there in YouTube, they are, you can say, more or less one complete concept explanation, which you can apply. So in Sanj, the good thing about Sanj for those who have watched is that it's in a manner where you can practice along the way. As Devkanya keeps asking Rishiraj, he gives the answers in a step-by-step process to follow. Or we have episodes which are guided meditations. We have episodes which have, you know, what we call inner process. You can write down and follow those steps. So you have those on YouTube. The easiest way to check, first of all, there is a difference between, I think Nikita covered it, but let me just, because ये आप सीख गए तो then you're sorted for life. There's a difference between good sleep and regenerative sleep.
Oh.
We can always.
Deepika, I'd like to hold you for a minute because what you said, I have a question. But before that, we'll ask a question. Jayesh ji, Meena ji, Mukta ji, do you have any question? Naresh ji, Vidya ji, Yagnesh ji, Preeti ji. I'm not sure iPhone sir का नाम क्या है, but I'll just address him as an iPhone. So before वो डिफरेंस करे अपने स्लीप के बारे में, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है? हाँ जी मीना जी बताइए.
एक मिनट, let me unmute myself. 1 minute.
Yeah, you are unmute. We can hear you, Meena ji.
Hello, you can listen me?
हाँ जी.
हाँ. एक्चुअली मुझे भी स्लीप का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. कभी कभी 2-3 बजे तक रात को कभी भी ऐसा है, कुछ भी विदाउट नो रीजन, नो एंजाइनमेंट, नथिंग, नो रीजन आई कैन नॉट स्लीप. आई डोंट नो what is the reason, but I do deep breathing in the night before sleeping. It helped me a lot. Not every time. Sometimes it helps me. Yeah.
Great. और किसी को इशू है रात को? We had a question कि last time washroom issues भी होता है. So before Lipika ji,
yes, washroom issue is also there with me. Yeah.
ठीक है. Before Lipika ji tells us about 2 different kind of a sleep, which is more interesting for me. मुझे तो लगता था सोना मतलब सोना है. इसमें डिफरेंस होते हैं. जयेश जी, यज्ञेश जी, प्रीति जी, कोई क्वेश्चन? विद्या जी, you're looking so.
No, ma'am, I don't have any question.
No. We had a question last time.
अच्छा जी. Vidya ji, would you like to ask question? Naresh ji, I mean, I know you're enjoying the conversation, but I'm sure we all have questions.
I'm associated with NV Life for last 2-3 years, and I went through Sanj many times. So just I like to say that सांझ सिर्फ सुला नहीं देगी, आपको अपना दर्पण भी दिखा देगी, बहुत कुछ सिखा भी देगी, और it kind of help you who are you finding. Like, and अभी जो पूछा था जैसे 2-3 मिनट के लिए स्लिप पिल जैसा, अगर हम स्लिप पिल जैसा कुछ यूज कर सकते हैं, तो सांझ में बहुत सारे ऐसे छोटे छोटे एक्सरसाइजेस है. अगर आप सुनते हो अच्छे से और करते हो तो आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आएगा.
Oh, very nice. Naresh ji, would you like to ask someone? I'm sorry, yes, Vidya ji, go on, please.
वहाँ पे एक है 369 करके फॉर्मूला दिया है कि जैसे अभी इमोशनल लोड की बात हो गई, 3 मिनट के लिए आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हो, देखो क्या क्या हुआ दिन में, रिवाइंड करो, क्या इमोशन दे रहा है आपको, देखो, और फिर ऑब्जर्व द ब्रीथ करो. आपको नींद आ जाएगी, आपका इमोशनल लोड कम हो जाएगा.
Very nice. Sunil ji, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है? Before I'm going to ask Lipika ji about the difference between 2 kind of a sleep.
No question.
Wow. Okay. और किसी को any questions before we ask Lipika ji about the 2 kind of sleeps? Naresh ji, anything you want to say? Add? All right, Lipika ji, all to you. You want to tell us 2 type of sleep. मुझे तो सिर्फ नींद पता था, अभी 2 type of sleep पे पूछूंगी मैं.
So one type is where I'll give you what is regenerative sleep, and I will then give you what is the other kind of sleep that we think is good sleep, and I'll tell you how to figure out if you are going into regenerative sleep. Okay?
If you can just explain a little in Hindi and English, because I understand English, but it's very easy for me to understand in Hindi because you're अच्छा वो बोला था मैडम ने.
तो in any culture, if you see, आप कहीं पे भी देख लो, कुछ भी important होता है ना लाइफ में, तो we always say I'll sleep on it.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
Right? कि कुछ भी होता है, like even if you have बुखार, आप क्रोसिन ले लोगे, बट आप हमेशा बोलोगे क्रोसिन लेके सो जाओ. Right? So innately we have this trust in sleep, which it's a God's grace we have not lost it, but we have this faith in sleep that something कुछ तो हो रहा है नींद में जो इसको better कर देगा, right? And if you also notice that आज मेरा दिन जैसा भी गया हो, कितना भी बुरा हुआ हो, जो भी मेरे साथ हुआ हो, tomorrow when I wake up better than how I went to sleep. मैं जितना भी निराश होकर आज सोई, जितने भी गुस्से में आज सोई, जो भी हुआ मेरे साथ, tomorrow I always wake up better than how I went to sleep today. Right? तो नींद में कुछ तो हो रहा है जहां I feel better. And I feel better all along. I feel better emotionally, I feel better mentally, I feel better physically. So something is happening in my sleep, which if you say it is healing me of whatever was my baggage.
Okay.
Right? So ऐसा क्या होता है sleep में which makes it better? If you are able to go to regenerative sleep, मतलब आप ये साइंस के टर्म्स है, आप नॉन रेम स्लीप में जब जाते हो, स्टेज ऑफ स्लीप में जब जाते हो, and if your breath is able to go to 8 breaths per minute, which also is the state of योग निद्रा. In the state of योग निद्रा जो आप मेडिटेशन से पहुंचते हो, जो भी 8 breaths per minute है, उसमें your regeneration is optimal. What is regeneration? कि अगर मैंने स्किन को खरोच दिया अभी, ये 1-2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा. Similarly, every organ of your body is regenerating. अगर every organ of your body is regenerating, तो कोई भी डिजीज तो शरीर में रुकना ही नहीं चाहिए. फिर लोगों को इतना लंबा समय तक डायबिटीज क्यों होता है, कैंसर क्यों होता है? Like your entire skeleton system can regenerate in 7 years. So nothing should ideally go beyond that. But people have been taking sleeping pills for 9 years, 10 years, 12 years, Diseases have become lifestyle diseases. तो ऐसा क्या हो रहा है कि my body, which has innate ability to heal itself, is not able to do so. And this non-REM state of sleep happens रात को 12 से 9 के प्रहर में.
Correct.
Right? तो अगर आप उस प्रहर में जग रहे हो, तो you have already disrupted that stage. Now, if you go to sleep afterwards, it is highly unlikely कि आप उस स्टेज में पहुंचोगे. उस स्टेज में होता क्या है? So, in that stage, hopelessness is getting released from your cells. Okay? Why is it important? Suppose in every breath I'm making it simple. मैं 100 ounce ऑक्सीजन लेती हूँ, ठीक है? और स्किन को रीजनरेट करने के लिए मुझे 100 ounce ऑक्सीजन चाहिए हर ब्रेथ में. पर आज सपोज मैं ऑफिस में थी, किसी ने काम ठीक से नहीं किया, आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड, आई वाज एंग्री, बट क्योंकि मैं ऑफिस एनवायरनमेंट में आई हैव टू बी प्रोफेशनल एंड आई कैन नॉट वेंट आउट, एंड फिर आई केप्ट वर्किंग एंड देन देयर वाज नो इमोशनल लोड रिलीज. नाउ अब ये जो गुस्सा मैंने सुबह पार्क कर दिया था कि आई विल एड्रेस इट लेटर, हैव आई एवर एड्रेस्ड इट लेटर?
नो.
तो आपके शरीर में कुछ भी रखने के लिए उसको एनर्जी देना पड़ेगा. What is giving energy in your body? Oxygen breaks down food to give energy in your body. Now 100 में से 20 तो चला गया आपके एंगर को मैनेज करने में, क्योंकि हम उसको फील नहीं करेंगे और हम उसको पार्क करके रखेंगे, तो उसको एनर्जी तो चाहिए पार्क्ड रहने के लिए. तो अब मेरे पास सिर्फ 80 ounces अवेलेबल है और उसमें रीजनरेशन ऑप्टिमल नहीं है. ऐसे करके ये मैं आपको एक दिन का एक इवेंट का एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. हम इतने साल जी चुके हैं, इतने इवेंट्स हो चुके हैं, तो आप सोचो आपका कितना इमोशनल लोड अक्यूमुलेटेड है. Now the speed of damage has increased than the speed of regeneration, which is why we suffer.
तो लिपिका जी, हम ये सिंपल वे में बोल सकते हैं कि हम जो इमोशंस को पूरे दिन में कैरी करते हैं, लाइक हेट, एंगर, सप्रेशन, गुस्सा, चिड़चिड़ापन, ये जो भी है, जो भी प्रकार के इमोशंस हमारे लाइफ में आते हैं, फियर भी हो सकता है, क्लेशास भी हो सकता है, हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में झगड़े होते हैं, दोस्तों में होते हैं, जब हम वो सब लेके रात को सोने जाते हैं, वी आर एक्यूमुलेटिंग डिजीजेस इन द बॉडी.
Yes, it starts as distress, it becomes disorder. It's like gas, liquid, solid. वो
तो ये आपका एक टाइप का स्लीप हुआ, इफ आई एम करेक्ट, ठीक है?
ये मैं बता रही हूँ स्लीप में होता क्या है, आपके शरीर में क्या हो रहा है. You're regenerating, right? Everything is regenerating.
जी.
तो वो regeneration disrupt हो गया.
हाँ.
Which is happening in your sleep state. You see, anything that has happened which requires healing in any mode of treatment, be it allopathy, आपको सर्जरी में डालने के लिए आपको एनेस्थीसिया दिया जाता है. You have to be put in sleep mode.
जी. So,
any antibiotics you take, medicines you take, be it Ayurvedic, homeopathic, allopathic, they all make you drowsy.
Correct.
So that's how essential sleep is. For any mode of recovery, you have to let the body go in the regenerative state of sleep.
So let's say assume कि आज मैं बहुत डिप्रेस हो रही हूँ, ठीक है, फॉर वट एवर रीजन, मैं सांझ सुनती हूँ, ओके, मैं सो तो जाऊंगी 12 घंटे के लिए, बट मैं वो इमोशंस कैरी तो कर रही हूँ नेक्स्ट डे, फीलिंग ऑफ डिप्रेशन या एंजाइटी या मेरे बिजनेस में लॉस होना या हस्बैंड से झगड़ा करना, ये सब तो नॉर्मल रूटीन की लाइफ है. सो इज देयर एनीथिंग कि मैं रात को सोने से पहले ये कॉर्ड को डिस्कनेक्ट करके सो?
So disconnect is the wrong word. Here I'll give you 2 to 3 things that you can check for yourself.
Okay.
And you will know whether you're going into regenerative sleep.
ठीक है.
Okay. सबसे पहले, how do you look at sleep? Do you look at it कि ये मेरे दिन में बाधा है, कि I have 10 things to do and अब मैं थक रहा हूँ, मुझे सोना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
Or do you look forward to sleep? कि आज का दिन खत्म हुआ and I look forward to tomorrow. I have a vision for tomorrow, not ambition. I have a vision for tomorrow. Right?
अगर
and then you have the kind of sleep where you think of it as interruption to your life. कि like I have to do it, like just say it's not helping you, it is coming in the way of your life.
आई डोंट नो, मैं तो दोपहर वाली नींद को, लोग बोलते हैं दोपहर वाली नींद बड़ी अच्छी होती है. आप में से कितने जन दोपहर में सोते हैं एटलीस्ट 15 मिनट की झपकी के लिए?
Myself.
आप भी सोते हैं यज्ञेश जी? और आप लोग? अच्छा, तो एक लिपिका जी, आई विल गेट बैक टू यू ऑन दैट. जयेश जी, यज्ञेश जी, कैसा लगता है आपको सो के 15 मिनट के बाद?
अरे, if you don't sleep at least for 10 minutes, you will feel like what you
Headache.
call
headache or something.
Headache or something.
अगर आप नहीं सोए तो, बट आपको सोने के बाद कैसा लगता है? आप 10 मिनट सो गए, फिर उसको आप जब उठते फिर आपको कैसी फीलिंग आती है?
Yeah, you feel good.
वाओ. ओके, नरेश जी भी सोते हैं?
I don't sleep.
तो do you look forward to sleep in the night or you're like, अरे यार क्या सोना है?
No. At night only, I'm getting sleep easily, normally. Whenever I feel like going to bed, within 5-10 minutes, I get asleep.
ठीक है. जयेश जी, आप सोते हैं दोपहर में?
नहीं मैम,
बिल्कुल नहीं.
कोई सो जाता हूँ मैं.
अरे वाह. और कौन सोता है दोपहर में? मुक्ता जी, आप सोते हैं? आपको कैसा लगता है सोने के बाद? समटाइम्स. कितना? आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा?
हाँ, डिपेंड्स. कभी कभी बैठ के भी एक झपकी ले लेती हूँ. कभी बहुत ज्यादा थक जाते हैं तो थोड़ा पलंग के ऊपर लेट के भी थोड़ा सो जाती हूँ, ऐसा है, लेकिन ज्यादा नहीं सोते हैं.
अच्छा, मुक्ता जी आप?
मुक्ता गई है.
Whenever I can, I just take a nap.
Okay, and you feel good after it?
Of course.
Wow, okay. And Vandana ji, now I'm going to ask you. Do you feel after sleeping?
I take a nap during around 3. Yeah, So I think it is a norm with all of us. In our office, when we used to have a physical office in Bangalore, we used to have mattresses in the office. So
Wow.
one of the persons would always be there, taking turns to go off to sleep or do Yog Nidra for a few minutes.
Oh wow, that's nice. So everyone feels good. Actually, Lipika ji, I'm still surprised because मतलब सब इतने खुश होते हैं मतलब मेरे में भी कोई गलती होगी because अगर मैं दोपहर में 10 मिनट सो जाती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैंने 15 किलो का भार उठा लिया है.
हाँ, so that's where you are looking at it as a thing that gives you guilt. हाँ, कि मैंने दिन के बीच में break ले लिया. It gives you guilt,
relaxation.
which is why the approach to sleep is important.
Let's say these wise people give a lot of love to sleep and I give a lot of negative emotions to sleep. Are you saying that, Lipika ji? Sort of.
It is not whether they give love to sleep. It is about how you look at sleep. So I used to be like you actually, and that's how you can say all the mattress system of our offices changed that for me. So I grew up with my mother always saying कि तो तुम लोग जवान लोग क्या दिन में सो रहा है like
हाँ जी.
and so that's where for me also initially it was like it used to feel like guilt if I took a nap in the day because that would be me not being 100% into something that I should be doing otherwise. But the more I stayed here and the more I learned what I learned, I realized, taking that 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, when I am draining myself or pushing myself to do something else, when, you can say, when my body is asking for a break or a nap, I saw the difference in my productivity. वो जो मैं खींच के अपने आप को 1 घंटा 2 घंटा काम करती और उससे जो आउटपुट निकलता वर्सेस जो मैं 20 मिनट 30 मिनट ब्रेक लेकर नैप लेकर करती, it would be just the struggle of doing that would be far less.
Okay, so I know this is out of box question. मतलब जितने सांझ है और जो हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन भी है, मतलब क्या सांझ सुनने के बाद सपने अपने आने बंद हो गए कि वो आते हैं अभी भी? मतलब मैंने तो चेक किया है बट पता नहीं, मुझे तो सपने आते ही है वैसे भी. बट देन आई वांट टू आस्क यू, Jayesh ji, Naresh ji, Mukta ji, I mean, whoever is listening to Sanj, when you say deep sleep, do you still get dreams or is it just like sleep and get up in the morning?
I don't get dream anyway, anytime.
Yeah, no dreams.
Wow.
No dream.
Okay, that means
in my 73 years of life, I never could.
Wow.
No dream.
Lipika ji, I can say that the subconscious mind is regenerating their body.
Not necessarily. Dreams nahi aana can be good, can be bad also. Sometimes if your subconscious mind is rigid, mind is strong, then there is a chance that you don't have dreams, because dreams and nightmares are not bad. Dreams and nightmares are actually good news.
Yeah, subconscious level pe.
Yes, because they are also one medium in which your emotions are getting released.
Okay.
And if that medium is blocked, then it is a problem. If naturally you're not having a dream, it is fine. But more often than not in today's case, it is usually the blocked scenario.
We're going to hold that. Lipika ji, आप मुझे बताएंगे, मैम आप सांझ सुनते हैं, आप you say it has worked for you, Vidya ji and Puneet ji. Can you tell me, क्या आपको ड्रीम्स आते हैं? Because after me listening to सांझ, मेरे को तो ड्रीम पता ही नहीं क्या होते हैं. मैं तो सोती हूँ जैसे बस वो हो गए 6 घंटे. I want to know from that point of view.
ड्रीम आते हैं?
This is Paritya. I get dreams, but I don't know if that's an issue. I could only remember them at that pitch of the night. that something is happening and something has come and I has to get up for a washroom break. I could remember कि कुछ ऐसा dream आया है. But morning it खत्म, वो dream का कुछ याद नहीं रहता था. Even if I wanted to remember, very hazy something I would get to know कि कुछ हुआ है. Because when I was associated with Envy, you know, dreams के ऊपर it's very important to know what your dreams are and generally analyze them. तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम था कि I still have I do get dreams in Sanj also, but I can't recall them. Maybe the frequency has decreased.
So let's say Sanj cleans up your dream.
I hope so. Yeah, something is.
Episode जो बोलता है अरे यार मैं इसको मिटा देता हूँ, that she doesn't remember.
कुछ तो हो रहा है.
Shefali, I won't say कि सांझ dreams को मिटा देता है. My experience is different, I would say.
Okay.
Dreams आपके mostly सुबह के time आते हैं.
जी, subconscious.
It is not in the deep sleep that you get dreams. And I get a lot of dreams. अगर मैं सुबह उठ के दोबारा सो जाती हूँ, I usually get up with dreams. And मुझे dreams जो है वो कुछ मिनट तक ही याद रहते हैं. So I've kept a diary next to my bed. So I get up and I jot it down because I want to remember.
Let's say Sanj is working for you. Okay, you don't remember if it's a bad dream, just erase it and make it a vivid. I can say that.
What happens कि dreams आपकी emotions को लेके आते हैं.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. अब आपको dream भूल भी गया तो भी something has got released, which Lipika said.
Correct.
And you may feel the residue of that emotion.
So that's what. In a simple manner, it cleans it up.
If you connect to your breath in that moment, so supposedly आपको nightmare आया तो आपको fear आएगा. If you generally have a fear of loss, like I'll tell you one event. We had a theft in our house when we were small. I was in 5th class. So at that time, the theft in the house was for a small child, you can imagine, it's a big thing. So there is a fear of loss, but the intensity I have sometimes seen in my dreams losing things. So that means there is a fear of loss in me, and that comes up periodically.
Okay.
And when I connect to my breath, I can, after some time, that fear is not there during the day. That means something has got released from me.
Wow.
So in a very
that is why dreams and nightmares are good.
Yeah, but then it says like Sanj is cleaning, again, like I say, Sanj is cleaning your darkness, your emotions.
It is not like there are other modalities like hypnotism and other things. Sanj prepares you that आप ready हैं तो वो आपके subconscious से आएगा.
Correct.
It is not that it will make your system disrupt.
Of course no.
ठीक है. आप जैसे जैसे ready होते जाएंगे वो आपको system को cleanse करता चला जाएगा. Whether अगर आपका नींद non-REM state में deep sleep में चला गया, regenerative sleep में, तो वो regenerative, that which is the best. Other scenario is it may give you dreams and nightmare, उसके through चला जाएगा. Otherwise, like people are saying that आपको washroom जाना पड़ता है, so some part of your hopelessness gets released through there also. आप अगर किसी पे गुस्सा हुए, so I'll ask you, तो उसके बाद आपका गुस्सा कितना रह जाता है?
1 घंटा.
आपका घंटा गुस्सा रह गया, इंटेंसिटी कितनी रह गई? Supposedly you were angry, मतलब 1 to 10 के स्केल पे 10 था आपका एंगर. अब आपने अपना गुस्सा की भड़ास किसी पे निकाल दी, तो आपकी भड़ास कितनी रह गई?
No, but I know when I get angry, I behave like a Pavilion dog, okay? Like and then if somebody gives me food ना, जैसे वो डॉगी को दे देते हैं कि बेटा खा, तब मैं ठीक हो जाती हूँ.
तो जब आपने अपनी
भड़ास का नहीं पता, but मैं ऐसी हूँ.
जब आपने अपनी भड़ास निकाल दी तो ऑब्वियसली आपका कुछ होपलेसनेस निकल गया वहां पे. ये अलग बात है कि वो आपके रिलेशनशिप में चला गया.
जी.
ठीक है, आपने अपने हिस्से की होपलेसनेस दूसरे को दे दी.
जी
उसका
नहीं
होपलेसनेस बढ़ गया,
नहीं
और आप गुस्से से आप रिग्रेट पे चले गए कि अच्छा ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था।
हाँ, सो लेट्स से आप जो बोल रहे हैं उस पे थोड़ा डीप में जाते हैं कि जैसे अगर जैसे एग्जाम्पल हम सबको कुछ ना कुछ इमोशन आता होगा, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ बिजनेस करते हैं, जॉब करते हैं, ठीक है, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल इफ दे हैव अ इमोशन स्टिक इनसाइड देम, सबके इमोशंस होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम संत हैं। आप मुझे बोल सकते हैं इफ इन केस ये रात को नहीं, अगर हम दिन में थोड़ा वर्कआउट करें, वॉट एवर वर्कआउट वी से, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, walking, or maybe, going for any kind of a thing. Do you think वो emotions वहाँ पे भी निकल सकते हैं? And plus with emotion, with the audio with Sanj, that will help them not to get up in the night? Is it possible, Vandana ji?
डेफिनेटली जब आप अपने साथ होते हैं,
जी
अगर आप वॉक पे जा रहे हैं और
जी
आपका अटेंशन अपने साथ है, दैट इज व्हाट इज टर्निंग इनवर्ड।
करेक्ट।
ठीक है, तो आप जहां भी आपका अटेंशन जाएगा वो वहां पे इट्स लाइक देयर आर 3 थिंग्स, अटेंशन, इंटेंशन, अवेयर। तो
करेक्ट
आपका जहां भी अटेंशन होगा, आप देखो आप योगा करते हो
जी
या कोई एक्सरसाइज करते हो, आप जिम जाते हो, उसके बाद यू देयर इज अ फील गुड फैक्टर व्हिच कम्स अप।
करेक्ट, हमारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस वहां से निकलते हैं, दैट इज हाउ इट्स बीन प्रूवन फैक्ट। एंड people also go to sleep very beautifully when you exert your body, this is what the yoga teaches. But like मैं example देती हूँ, मीना जी या किसी को रात को वॉशरूम के इश्यूज है, if they work out, Deepika ji and Vandana ji, the question is to you, if they work out, okay, on a physical aspect for half an hour before they go to sleep, maybe just take a walk for half an hour or 15 minutes, you think there's a possibility that they will have reduced frequency breaks in the night while getting up for the washroom or something like that? Is it possible?
Lipika, I'll have you take this question.
So essentially yoga was made for that, what we call yoga.
Yes.
All the asanas were made for that purpose कि
जी
आपके शरीर में कहीं पे भी अगर इमोशन ट्रैप्ड है तो वो आसन करने से that breath is channeled better to that part of your body and it is supposed to release that emotion.
Correct.
However, that was created for a simpler time.
जी correct.
The kind of emotional load accumulation that as a whole generation that we have right now
जी
is massive, which is why you can say the whole gravitas of yoga that would be say 100 years back is not going to be what it is today.
Okay.
Right? So yes, it may help you release accumulated emotional load by a percent or two. However, it might not trigger regeneration, which is why you can say in most cases today when you see these news that some athlete, some gymnast or something, they are having cardiac arrest or all of this. Right? So that is the case. It is all of these
need to
modalities you can say were created for a simpler time when our mind was not as complex.
Interesting.
Right? When you follow the process of sleep, जो आप बोल रहे हो ना दिन में, can I ground my emotions essentially is what you are asking.
Correct.
So उसको हम बोलते हैं alignment with each prayer.
Correct.
If you notice that no matter how much if your biker gang, if I have to say, वो सुबह 3 से 4 बजे के बीच में अगर वो पार्टी भी कर रहे हैं तो 3 से 4 बजे के बीच में रॉक म्यूजिक नहीं बजाएंगे.
Correct.
उनसे बजेगा ही नहीं
बजेगा. यस बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं आप.
वो 12 से 3 के बीच में, 10 से 12 के बीच में आएगा. वो why is that? वो सुबह उस समय आपको रॉक म्यूजिक बजाने का ख्याल क्यों नहीं आएगा
जी,
या क्यों उस समय आपको भाएगा नहीं जो आपको कुछ घंटों पहले अच्छा लग रहा था
जी.
बिकॉज हर प्रहर, और हमारे दिन में 8 प्रहर है, 3 hours each, राइट? हर प्रहर की अपनी एक फ्रीक्वेंसी है.
Okay.
So 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. is the frequency of faith. 6 to 9 is trust, 9 to 12 is hope. इस तरह से सांझ में it is given which prayer is what frequency.
Okay.
So if you are aligned with the frequency of the prayer, then you are not having any emotional load in that prayer. However, if you are not aligned in the frequency of some prayer, which means you have already accumulated emotional load for that day.
Acha.
ठीक है? For example, 3 to 6 p.m. is the prayer of Sanj.
Correct. Yes.
That's where the prayer, that is the prayer where all your gun, basically your tamas, sattva or rajas is in a molten state.
Okay.
Okay, no, nothing is dominant, nothing is latent. That is the ideal state to actually align yourself, even if you have gone out of alignment during the day.
Wonderful. Okay.
Okay. Which is why you are able to take that short nap and it does wonderful results for you in that time. Also, that is the prayer of consolidation, acceptance and pain. हमें इमोशनल लोड होता ही क्यों in the first place? Because there is an event in your day which caused you disappointment.
Correct.
Right? What is disappointment? कि I wanted the output of the event, उसका result, suppose मुझे aqua paint चाहिए था पर cerulean blue कर दिया, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. अब तो paint हो गया घर का wall.
जी बिल्कुल.
Now I'm feeling disappointed, but you can say the conditioning has been such for all of us that we don't feel safe in a moment to go into pain.
Correct.
We are afraid of vulnerability. We are afraid of going into pain. For that reason, we you can say revert to anger.
जी.
कि अब पेन नहीं लिया जा रहा तो मैं चिड़चिड़ी हो रही हूँ कि ये क्या हो गया, ये किसी ने गलत कर दिया, ये मैंने ऑर्डर नहीं किया था. राइट? सो थिंक ऑफ इट that prayer of the day, Sanj prayer of the day, is most conducive for a person to be able to arrive at pain. For example, मेरे दिन में कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, से बहुत अच्छा दिन गया, बहुत ही सुबह से सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. Then also मेरे जीवन का एक दिन खत्म होने को आया. Whatever I wanted to do in my life, one more day has gone by. I also am not sure if I'm going to be there tomorrow.
True.
So just the pain of one more day that has gone by.
Wow, interesting. So we say that, I mean, today after listening to Naresh ji and your and Vandana ji's conversation, I believe that people don't give importance to sleep. And that is why we all are struggling with so many medicines and medical bills, and nobody wants to listen to this conversation seriously. Do you agree?
Yes. So I think the most neglected part of us, you can say we take so much care of our hair, of our nails, of, how we look and how we are, but some things which are most essential. Now think of your breath. I think voluntarily you cannot stop your breath. Even if you close your nose, your mouth will open. If you try to hold your breath in, you will gasp. So these are the things that are essentially keeping you alive, your breath, but we never pay attention to it. Like I said, innately we have so much trust in sleep. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि सोने से कुछ बेहतर हो जाएगा ना, कुछ भी important है.
Sleep over it.
हाँ, तो कि सोकर अगले दिन देखेंगे, right? But then also we feel guilty about sleeping. We see it as an interruption, right? We are not curious about what is it in the sleep that is making my day better the next day. In fact, whenever you have a nightmare, I'm not telling अब हमें nightmare आना चाहिए because I'm saying it, but अगर आ गया तो देखना that day will be much easier for you.
Okay. We're going to check with that for sure.
Yes, because whenever you have a nightmare, essentially it is a release of, you can say,
emotions,
which is in
Negative
higher
emotions.
intensity, which
Yeah.
is in higher intensity. That is why it feels like a nightmare, which scares you, which gives you fear. And the next day is lighter for you, actually.
I'm going to check with that with a lot of people I know around, but then I'm going to hold it to you. Any questions before we end the session today? Naresh ji, Meena ji, yes. Mukta ji, yes, you raised your hand first.
Lipika, my question is to you. You were talking about the 3 to 6, which is the Sanj Pahar, which is molten state. So that Pahar is when we consolidate. Is that right? Okay. So what happens, because most of the people these days are working during that time. So then you're not aligning with the frequency of that Pahar. So
Consolidation does not mean that you end your working day. Consolidation means that you are doing an accounting of the day. Ki I set out to do, say, 5 things in the day. 3 चीजें बहुत बढ़िया हो गई, अच्छे से हो गई. एक में, one I failed, one is work in progress. But you will know by 3 p.m. how's the flow of the day. You will also know that whether it's likely to happen, unlikely to happen, right?
Yeah.
So if you notice, and I would, always say कि आप लोग करके देखो. ये जो 6 से 9 का प्रहर है, it brings out panic and ambition in you, if you see. क्योंकि somewhere what happens is everything that you could not do in the day, you make an over ambitious plan for the next day. कि कल तो मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठ जाऊंगी और ये भी कर लूंगी और वो भी कर लूंगी. And so you will always find yourself in the 6 to 9 p.m. prayer, if you have not consolidated your day in 3 to 6 p.m. prayer, that you are setting up yourself for an ambitious day the next day, which is not coming from vision, which is coming from fear and non-acceptance of what has been today.
That I understand. But if somebody is working during the Sanj Pahar,
so if you
how do you consolidate?
You have consolidated in the sense that you have accepted. There's an acceptance कि आज इतना ही हुआ and possibly इतना ही होगा.
So basically,
so when you have that acceptance, you don't try to overachieve the next day. You take the learning from that day, that whenever I set out to do 6 tasks in a day, I am usually able to accomplish 4. However, when I set out to do 5 tasks in a day, I achieve 5. That is consolidation. Consolidation is acceptance and arriving at wisdom either through pain or learnings or however it happens for you. But
do you sit down and write down?
Mukta Jivan,
do you sit down and write down everything, like what you've achieved and what you haven't been able to achieve?
Lipika ji, in a very simple manner, I would like to say, if I understand correctly, it's just that being accepting what has happened throughout the day, it is okay, and what has not happened, it is still okay. You are still in a better place to be there, be happy, and move on for the next day. Is this what you mean in a very simpler manner?
Being happy is not something we say in Sanjay, but
just saying,
जो भी है अच्छा
रज़ा में राजी रहना
कि अच्छा है तो अच्छा है, बुरा है तो बुरा है. Like, you accept that, you derive your learnings from it, and the next day is from a grounded space instead of कि आज का मुझे failure non acceptance है तो कल मैं ओवर अचीव करने की कोशिश करूंगी. That will definitely happen the moment you have non-acceptance of the day.
So not being hard on yourself कि नहीं हुआ ठीक है, कल नया दिन है, हम और अच्छे से देखेंगे कैसे होता है.
Yes, and if you take the pain of आज नहीं हुआ, then by default tomorrow will come from a sincere space and not from a desperation to do better.
Great. मीना जी, आपका एक क्वेश्चन था before we end the session. Yes.
Yes. लिपिका जी, मेरा रात को जब भी पूरे सो लेती हूँ, पूरा 6-6.5 घंटे का नींद भी होता है, कभी नहीं भी होता है, लेकिन वो मैंने नोट किया है कि मेरा रेम स्लीप इज वेरी पुअर. व्हाट इज द रीजन एंड हाउ टू इम्प्रूव इट?
ये वंदना जी लेंगी.
तो पहला तो मैं यही कहूंगी मीना जी कि आप सांझ सुनना शुरू कर दीजिए.
नहीं वो
उसके
करना
बाद
है मुझे, लेकिन मेरा थोड़ा हेल्थ इश्यू है, इसके लिए अभी मैं ज्वाइंट नहीं हो पाती हूँ.
तो मीना जी, आप सोती कैसे हैं?
जैसे अपने रेगुलर सब लोग जैसे
कितने
सोते
बजे?
हैं. हाँ, नो.
कितने बजे सोते हैं?
10:30-11 के बीच में सो जाती हूँ मैं. ये
तो हम यूजुअली रिकमेंड करते हैं कि 9 से 10:30 के बीच में सोने की कोशिश कीजिए.
9
ठीक है?
से
तो
10:30
ये
के बीच में. ओके. हाँ.
हाँ, तो प्रैक्टिकल बता रही हूँ. और सोने से पहले सोने की तरह एक क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए कि अब आप सोने जा रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा आप अपना कमरा ठीक कर सकती हैं. बेडशीट 1-2 दिन के बाद चेंज कर लीजिए.
हाँ, वो तो हमेशा होता ही
होगा.
है.
तो मतलब जैसे कि आप कोई बाहर, ठीक है, मीना जी, आप पेन पेपर पे लिख सकती हैं, अपने लिख. तो अगर आप
1 मिनट. या 1 मिनट.
हाँ, आप बैठ जाइए कहीं पे.
नहीं, ऐसा है ना, मेरे पैर में बहुत दर्द है, तो मैं ज्यादा टाइम बैठ नहीं पाती हूँ एक्चुअली. ऐसा
अच्छा,
मेरा प्रॉब्लम अभी थोड़ा स्पॉन्डिलोलिसिस का हो गया है, इसलिए.
जी. तो आप एक पेन पेपर ले लीजिए सोने से पहले. जैसे कि लिपिका ने बोला कंसोलिडेशन का, आप सोने से पहले भी वो कंसोलिडेशन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
3 से 6 में अगर कर लें तो बहुत बढ़िया है, लेकिन अगर 3 से 6 में नहीं हुआ तो 6 से 9 या 9 से 12 में कर लें. तो कंसोलिडेशन का मतलब क्या है कि आपके दिन में 3 ऐसी क्या चीजें हुई जिसमें आपको, एक तो जो वर्किंग है उनके लिए तो ये भी हो सकता है कि मैं आज ये करने निकला था, ये 5 चीजें मेरी लिस्ट में था करने का, और मैं 3 ही कर पाया. तो अब मुझे इस बात की खुशी भी है कि मैं 2 नहीं कर पाया. ठीक है, ये कंसोलिडेशन हो गया एक तरीके का. और जो हम सीनियर सिटीजन की बात करें, अगर आप वर्किंग नहीं है, रिटायर्ड हैं, तो आप कहेंगे कि मेरे को तो दिन में ऐसा कोई टास्क लिस्ट ही नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ करना हो. तो मैं कहती हूँ आप 3 चीजें ऐसे लिख लीजिए कि आज मेरे दिन में ऐसा क्या हुआ कि जिसका मुझे डिसअपॉइंटमेंट हुआ. सपोजिटली आपकी मेड नहीं आई है, सपोजिटली आपके बच्चों में से किसी से बात ऐसी हुई, किसी बच्चे ने ऐसा कुछ कह दिया, या आपके साथ टाइम नहीं स्पेंड किया. ठीक है, 3 या 4 चीजें आप लिख लीजिए और उसको डिटेल में लिख लीजिए कि हाँ मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. और सिर्फ लेट के अपनी ब्रेथ को ऑब्जर्व करना. ब्रेथ को ऑब्जर्व करने का मतलब है आपकी ब्रेथ को फील करना कि आपकी ब्रेथ अंदर जा रही है और बाहर आ रही है. आपको कोई चीज, ठीक है, तो अगर आप ऐसा भी कर लेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि आपकी नींद बेटर हो रही है, क्योंकि अब आपको कोई बात करने को नहीं मिला, इमोशनल लोड निकाल लेंगे, आपने पेन पेपर पे निकाल दिया. ये एक प्रैक्टिकल टिप है जो सब लोग कर सकते हैं. और उस पेपर को आपको किसी को दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. बेटर होगा उसको फाड़ दीजिएगा, कोई और देख लेगा तो और घमासान युद्ध हो जाएगा. हाँ, तो उस पे बहुत अच्छे से लिखिए, अपना सारा गुस्सा पेपर पे निकाल दीजिए. और उसके बाद अपनी ब्रेथ को, जो ये विद्या बता रही थी 3-6-9 का प्रोसेस, आप अपनी ब्रेथ को ऑब्जर्व करते हुए सो जाए. तो जो हम मेडिटेशन का सेशन करते हैं, मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूंगी, हम संडे 6:30 बजे सुबह करते हैं। अगर आप ज्वाइन कर सकें, आप ये जो ब्रीदिंग का हम बता रहे हैं, ये आप सीख लेंगे, और इसको अगर आप सीख लेंगे, ये जो आपका पैर में पेन है, इसमें भी फर्क पड़ जाएगा। पैर में ब्यूटी पेन जो होता है, वो आप ग्राउंडिंग नहीं हो रहा है आपका, तो उसके कारण भी होता है। तो वो हम नेक्स्ट सेशन के लिए बाकी चीजें जब कभी नेक्स्ट से शिफाली या
मीना जी, आई होप जब भी लिखे आप सबके बारे में लिखना, और सब लोग पढ़ेंगे वो ठीक है, बट मेड नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए अगर आपने उसके बारे में बुराई की है तो। आप भगवान मिल जाएगा कहीं पे भी, मेड मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो वो मेड को आप संभाल के रखिए, बाकी तो कोई है नहीं है क्या, ठीक है।
वो तो है, अभी किसी के ऊपर भी चलेगा, लेकिन मेड के बिना नहीं चलता है आजकल।
हाँ, मैं तो बोलती हूँ मेरे घर में कोई नहीं रहेगा ना चलेगा, बट मेरे मेड नहीं रहेंगे ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है भाई उनको कोई समझना ही नहीं चाहिए, वो तो मेरे भगवान है। आपको कितनी बड़ी चिट्ठी लिखनी है ना, प्लीज लिखे, बट मेड के बारे में कंप्लेन ना आप सांझ में आके पर्सनली वंदना जी को करना, जब कोई नहीं होगा। अदरवाइज मेड चली गई ना, आप सांझ को बोलोगे मेड चाहिए, बाकी छोड़ो।
सच बात है।
उसको फाड़ दीजिएगा, किसी को पढ़ाई नहीं।
किसी को पढ़ाई नहीं कर, बस अपने मन की बात एक बार मन से निकल जाए, वही एक जरूरी है।
मैं बोल रही हूँ बच्चे, बहू, नाते पोती, दुनिया भर कोई भी कंप्लेन आप पूरा लिस्ट लिखिए, मेड के बारे में नहीं करना है। मेड में करना है आप लिपिका जी और वंदना जी को पर्सनली चैट करके बोलना, हाय ये कर लिया मेरे मेड ने, तब तो ठीक है। Anyways, before we end the session now, anyone last question, because we're going to have a round up. We've already extended our time. Any more questions? Great. So, great. Thank you so much for all being here. It is always a fun session with a lot of humor and a lot of exploring. Matlab, two type of sleep and out of the box questions that we throw at you. And the best part, Lipika ji and Vandana ji, you guys just have answers for everything.
Yes.
सुनीत जी ने सही बोला था, इनके पास सारा आंसर है। अगर कोई कहीं से बोलेगा ना ये है, and you will have a correct answer, which is a very good thing. But I would really like to thank you for what all you guys have created for us. Worked for Haryanvis and Delhiites who drinks a lot. But then I'm sure this has also catered all the age group, and I'm going to still cater and experiment on the younger age group where people who are between 5 to 11, they can't sleep, because I also work with them. I'm a counselor and a yoga practitioner. So I'm going to work with them, and I'm going to get back to you guys with more funny stories where you will laugh again. But again, we're going to meet. But I would also request next time we meet, when we're going to have a session, I'm going to ask Mansi to create one. I would like to have some kind of an activity where we all can get involved. Maybe for 15 minutes, where we can understand, inhale, exhale, or I don't know what. So maybe we can have a gist, or maybe like we say a cupcake from a big, huge cake.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much for coming. It is pleasure to know about Sanj.
Thank you so much, Shefali, for having us. I
you.
think you have experimented beautifully with our Sanj, and really taken it in stride, and to everyone you possibly could. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was lovely.
Thank you.
Now.